In this video, I'll be showing you how you can add a wiggle text effect in DaVinci Resolve. So the first thing you need to do is open up your timeline on DaVinci Resolve and go up to Effects and Titles and drag a text plus effect onto your timeline like so. Then you can just make it as long as you want. Then from here, you need to go up to Inspector tab and change the title to whatever you want. I'm just gonna click Wiggle Effect. You can also change the font to whatever font you want. You can change the color, the size, really anything on this tab right here you can change. From here, you need to go over to Open Effects up on the Effects tab and go up to Search bar and click in Waviness. Then you just need to drag the waviness and drag it over to the clip like so. Next up, we'll do the exact same thing again, so drag the waviness over the text effect like so. Then go up to Inspector, tap on the first waviness and change the scale to 50, the strength to 1 and the speed to a 0.500 like so. Then you need to go down to the next one or the next waviness and do the exact same thing here. So 50 scale, 1 in strength and 0.500 in speed like so. From here, you need to go up to Waviness Type and change that to horizontal. And that's really how you do it. So let's check how it looks like. Looks very smooth. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!